Okay, it's now time to start cutting your rebate joint. First thing you need to do is put your block of wood and lock it into the vise. Now making sure that this line here, or the halfway point, is above the halfway point of, or above the top of the vise. Okay, clamp it up so it doesn't move. Now, to start off your joint, you need to be cutting this side of the line. Okay, so you've got your line here, you need to cut in this side, don't cut in this side because you'll end up with a joint that's too big. Start off, put your thumb just with your nail so you can drag the saw back. Okay, this will just help you get you started. Okay, and we'll start off with the line. Now when you're holding the saw, make sure you've got your finger on the saw blade like that, on the handle like that. Keep it nice and straight, keep you accurate. Now again, just bring a couple of cuts all the way back. Gives you a nice groove to start with, and means your saw won't slip when you cut it. Then, keeping your nail in place to run the saw side of the saw up against. Gently cut, keeping the blade nice and straight, and using the whole of the saw. Not just doing this, use the whole of the blade to make it much easier to do. You always need to be checking how low you're cutting. We've done on this side, okay, we just need to tilt the saw forward slightly. A gentle blow will remove the dust. Okay, final piece. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, so you can then remove your work and you can have a look, and we can see that we're down to the centre there, and again on this side, and we've stayed the right side of the line. Next cut to do is cutting along here. So again, fix our block of wood in. Again, we need to cut the side of the line we're removing so we can see the markings on here. Again, using your thumb as a guide, just drag back. As we go in, gently move the saw back, and we can just cut all the way down to the line. Take your time with these tasks, okay, there's no need to rush. If you do end up rushing, you're going to end up with a little bit more work to do once you have cut. As you're getting towards the end, don't be tempted to try and break off your cut. Okay, just keep cutting until it falls off naturally. Okay, you can see there it's popped out. Now, take off our block, and we can see we've got a nice cut. Okay, we can test that with your other piece of wood. Okay, if we put it in, you can see we've got a nice joint on that side, and again a nice joint on that side. We have got a little bit left over on this side, which we're going to remove by sanding, which I'll show you that in the next stage.